Buckthorn comes in all different sizes. Having various types of cutting tools on hand will greatly increase your efficiency for removal. A hand pruner will work for buckthorn that are the size of a pencil, and probably the most popular tool for buckthorn removal is a lopper. Once the buckthorn gets too big to cut easily with a lopper, you'll have to use some type of saw. Most any type of wood saw will work. Here are a few more options. A sawzall and any type of chainsaw. Of course, the most important part, proper treatment. If you have a large area that you need to remove buckthorn from, you may consider a brush cutter. A brush cutter is basically a souped up weed trimmer with an 8-inch blade on the end. An experienced operator of a brush cutter can cut enough buckthorn to keep up to 24 people busy, who will stay busy by removing cut buckthorn and treating the stumps with herbicide. This is a heavy-duty piece of equipment, so before you would use this, be sure to get proper training instruction from your local dealer. When using a brush cutter, it's important that the person operating the brush cutter is familiar with the native plants in the area. A brush cutter can cut hundreds of square feet in a matter of minutes, so it's important to make sure you're not taking the good plants out while cutting out the buckthorn. Now that we've treated these stumps cut by the brush cutter, we can see an interesting phenomenon. About 5 to 7 years ago in this park, a group came through and cut buckthorn and did not treat the buckthorn that they cut. And what happens when you cut buckthorn and you don't treat it, you get anywhere from 3 to 5, even up to 8 fresh sprouts of new growth of buckthorn. So cutting it is one thing, but treating it is probably even more important.